What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and we're going to show you how to add the feet to the bottom of your RSM3 stands. Now the next thing we can do is add some feet to the bottom of the stand. We actually have a couple different options that we can use. So we have these round flat feet here, or these metal spikes with these discs that go on the bottom. The benefit of using the flat rubber feet is that they have a ball joint inside, so you can angle them however you'd like. And then you can use the metal spikes to decouple the speaker stands from your floor so that you have better sound quality. But don't worry, we're gonna show you how to add both just in case. If you look at the bottom of the base plate here, you'll see these 3 holes, and this is where we're going to add the feet. So taking one foot at a time, you're just gonna line up the threading here on each foot to the threading of each hole, like this, and then just screw them on to attach them to the plate. And after that, you can lift the stand up like this, and then you're all set. Now to add the metal spikes, it's a very similar process. You're gonna take the flat ends of the spikes and line them up to the holes here on the bottom of the plate. You'll also notice these nuts here in the middle. You can actually set this as far in or as far out as you'd like so that your stand is nice and balanced once it's set in your setup. Then once you have it set the way you'd like, you can just keep screwing in the foot to lock it in place. Once the feet are all set, you can set the stand back up, and then you can take the metal discs here and line them up to the tips of each foot, just like this. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to attach the feet to your RSM3 stands, but of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.